Hello guys, so welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to program Arduino in TinkerCAD using the block programming, using blocks as well as using blocks and text. So here is a simple schematic for a light bulb that's DC, and also a DC motor. So I'll go ahead with the simulation and then I'll show you how the code looks like. So I start the simulation, and so this is the switch 1. So if I turn this switch on, you see this light comes on, and then if I switch it off, the light goes off. These are the switch. If I put it on, see the motor goes on, and if I switch it off, the motor goes off on. So I can also do them simultaneously, like every of the load goes on, and I can switch this off. So yeah, the voltage that we use is a 9-volt power supply for the loads, and Arduino for the switches, the input is like 5 volts. So if these loads, all of these loads are in parallel, it increases the amount of load on the battery. So that's why you see the RPM of the motor reduces. But anyway, today we just have to look at the program. So this is the sample program. So this the control. So you just I chose among these ones, like this if else, and then for the input I use digital pin read. For pin 3, you see pin 3 here. So to make it simple, let me just simplify the circuit by removing this other part, and also removing this other circuit, so that it can be a little bit simpler. So these are simple now, a simple circuit, the one that we had was going through. So here, switch on, off, and the code is here. So this is the sample code. But if you want to look at the text, the code in terms of text, you come here and then you select block plus text, and here it is. So it's a loop. And as you can compare, you can easily compare it with the block version of it. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. If you have any question, feel free to comment in the comment section. Bye.